Following segment is sponsored by Munson Healthcare.
Some people feel and heal better when they're at home. That's why Munson Healthcare's home infusion therapy can sometimes be a convenient option. In this month's Your Health Matters, I met with one woman who's not only able to receive this type of treatment in the comfort of her own home, but still has direct contact with medical professionals. You might not know it by her infectious smile and energetic personality, but Nancy Arnold has been struggling with her health for years.
Back in the 70s, like 75, 76, I started getting really sick.
After a span of hospital visits for several surgeries over the years, Nancy was eventually diagnosed with Crohn's disease. She's continued to struggle with it years later.
This time I had a bowel obstruction back in June of 2014, so they had to have surgery.
Since the surgery in 2014, Nancy has had to be on a special diet to maintain her nutrition. That's why she has an IV hookup with this machine called Total Parenteral Nutrition, or TPN.
Basically replaces eating.
It's a form of home infusion therapy through Munson's Home Infusion Pharmacy. The program provides everything from IV antibiotics to IV catheter care or IV nutrition to patients like Nancy. She receives her treatment for 14 hours a day with the goal to help her digestive system heal. Her nurse Sandy stops in once a week to check Nancy's vitals.
She's just a jewel. I love her. She's so dependable, and I know I can call her anytime.
Besides her home care nurse, patients like Nancy who qualify for home infusion therapy have direct access to pharmacists with Munson Healthcare's Home Infusion Pharmacy.
The patients have to take a lot of responsibility on themselves, and the nursing and the pharmacists are here to support them.
Ben DeMangi is the home infusion clinical coordinator. He makes weekly calls to Nancy, all to check in on her home infusion treatment.
If they're able to do this at home, they're able to go home. It's really helpful to them because they get to be in their own environment. They're not around other people who are sick. A lot of people don't want to go to a nursing home, so this is another alternative. If they're able to learn and able to do it, it's a great place for them to be at home. Sometimes you heal best when you're at home.
The infusion treatments are also packaged and personally delivered to each patient's home. It's a close-knit relationship that creates a peace of mind on all ends.
It's really nice to get that rapport with the patients, and sometimes I know she's a dog lover, so she'll ask how my dog at home is doing and stuff.
I look forward to their calls, actually, every Tuesday. You know, I've met Ben before, but I haven't met the rest of them, but I plan on doing that somehow. I'm going to make it in there and do that somehow.
I think you need to.
I would love to, yes. I want to meet everybody so I know who I'm talking to. So, but they're great, all of them.
Munson's Home Infusion Therapy program has been around for 25 years. To see if this is something that you'd be a candidate for or if it's offered in your area through Munson, you can check out our website, upnorthlive.com. In the studio, I'm Melissa Smith, 7 and 4 News.